The Hurricanes meet the Chiefs in this Friday night clash in the New Zealand capital. Now they switch it back to the right. Bowden Barrett. Gibbons. A low went for the intercept. The gap was there. And now charging for the line and over is Fafita. And now Bowden Barrett clears. Alai takes it though. Now Messam sets off, passes it back to Alai and a lot of space, the right winger. Floats a nice ball in field. Charlie Ngatai, away it goes to Cruden. Aaron Cruden is in. Some lovely passing down the right-hand side by the Chiefs, and they hit back. Brown inside the 22, and rough clean out. I think it was Michael Allardyce came flying in there, and he's given away a penalty. Already had hands on the ball as he came in.
Gallagher.
Well, you're not going to get away with much these days. Nankivell.
Sit.
Interesting backline formation. Stevenson at first, receiver away on the left. Nankivell outside him, and that's the way they're going. Here is Sean Stevenson. The step, breaking. Stevenson can set it up for a low. James Lowe scores. Sean Stevenson comes off the bench and opens the game up for the Chiefs. This for the ton and quite possibly the win. McKenzie steps in. It's over. It's 17-7. Fafita. Eventually they get it. And now Julian Savia winds up. Good tackle by Leonard Brown. Bowden Barrett now. Geordie! Plus it in the corner! McKenzie taps it, puts it into touch. And for the first time, the Chiefs win 3 in a row against the Hurricanes. 17-14.